Hi, in this video, we're going to look at Eigrp for IPv4 and manual summarization. Okay, so manual summarization can be used with or without auto summary. We tend not to use auto summary anymore. Okay, so Eigrp is classless. It doesn't care about classful A, B, C addresses. Manual summarization can include what we call supernets. Those are just routes with masks less than the classful mask. Okay, so we used to call those or any kind of aggregation of a subnet. Anyway, it's very easy to do. We're going to see that we do Eigrp summarization on an interface. We'll see this command used here shortly. Okay, so first let's on R3 add a couple of loopback addresses. Loopbacks are just added for demonstration. When we don't have any interfaces, we can create loopbacks just for demonstration purposes. Okay, they're routable, pingable, and all kinds of stuff. Okay, and we're going to be routing those via Eigrp. Okay, and we can verify that on R1 and R2 that it sees all three of our 192.168, 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0 subnets via R3. Okay. So let's see if we can summarize those three networks. So it's very easy to do. We write out the networks to be summarized in binary, find the subnet mask for summarization, very easy. And working from left to right, we find the bits that match consecutively. What? It's really easy. Let me show you. There's our three networks. Okay. And we can kind of eyeball that at least the first 16 bits, the 192.168 parts, they look like they match. But let's write it all out in binary and see exactly what matches. So we can see by looking at this, we actually have 8, 8, so that's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 bits that are highlighted there in orange that match. Okay, so we have 22 matching bits. Okay, 22 matching bits. That's going to be our subnet mask for our summary route, a /22 or 255.255.252.0. Then all we have to do is find what is the summary network. It's actually very easy. Just take the matching bits that we have there in orange. Okay, they're all the same, right? 192.168, and looks like we have a bunch of zeros here. And then just add zeros. That's it. And what does that give us? Okay, well, here's the command, IP summary address, Eigrp1, okay, for our routing process. The summary address, there's the 192.168.0.0, 192.168, then just add zeros to the end of all of this. So this would be zeros here, and then the rest zeros, 0, 0. And then our /22 mask. 255, 255, 252.0. It's that easy. Where do we put it? We put it on each of the interfaces we want to do the summary. Okay, so there's the routes that we want to summarize. We're going to put those on those two interfaces, serial 000 and serial 001. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, we can verify that R1 and R2 has received the summary routes, and there it is. Okay, there it is in their routing tables. Okay. Okay. And I have a note here that that we talked about that null 0 summary route is added to R3's routing table, but we're not showing that here. Okay, and it's that easy. Hope that helped. Next, we have a video on IPv6 manual summarization for Eigrp.